So this is the final piece, what it's going to look like. It's got a title, it's got a footer, it's got a stage to put information in. Could be a video, just graphics, any kind of information you want to display. And I put a number here to make sure that your slides were going to actually be moving correctly. So the title here and the title in the header are both linked to page 1. Then you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, back to 2, 4, 3, 6, 8, 2, 8, 9, 10. Functions correctly. Hit escape to get out, and this is what it looks like in PowerPoint. 10 slides. And I work off the first slide to build everything, put everything together the way I want it to visually look. Not every slide has to be the same. I'm just doing this for the demo. In most courses, you have a framework that pretty much stays the same. It's a lot faster. So once you have everything laid out the way you want to, no links have been applied. You want to copy and paste by just hitting the control and you right click and duplicate one slide, and after you do that, then the control Y, you can pop them out real quick, and you do 10 of them. And then what you want to do is start putting your links in, and to do that you put insert link. And see, the reason you want to build your slides in is because these are placeholders for your links, but you're in the place in this document, not in a web link. It has to be placed in this document for these to show up. So you just link it to slide 1. You link this link to slide 2, this link to 3, and so on, all the way down to 10. You just click on the title and you link it to slide 1. Now, you've got all of these that haven't been created yet. So what I do is just backspace and get rid of all these. Once I have my links in here the way I want them to be, then I'm going to click, copy, paste, 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 all the way down, and you're done. You go into slide, set up slideshow. Most of the time it defaults to presented by actually browsed by an individual. You want to change that to browsed at a kiosk full screen. Show without narration. You can narrate these if you like. You would just change it to show with animation or show with narration. Unclick that and you click OK. You hit File, Save, and you're saving it as a PowerPoint. You need to save it as a show, so that is a PowerPoint show, PPSX. And then you just double click on it and test it to see that all your links are working correctly. And that's it. Enjoy.